To fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu and try to search for the name of the app. You can use the search app over here. When you find the app, what you have to do is to use your finger to tap on the app for some while. And you are going to see this pop up. Tap on application details. Then you're going to be in the app info. Tap on permissions and make sure the permission is allowed. So after allowing every permission, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. And make sure the background data is toggled on. Now go back, tap on the full stop, then you tap on OK. After that, tap on the storage and cache, then tap on the clear cache. After clearing the cache, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store to search for this app and update it. After updating it, tap on your power button for some while, and you are going to see power off and reboot. When you see restart, it's the same thing. Just tap on the reboot or the restart button to restart it. If you can't find restart and reboot, turn your phone off and turn it on again, and the problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video.